How to list items for sale on Facebook Marketplace. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in facebook.com. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Facebook. Make sure you're logged in to your account. At left, you'll be able to find various options. Find this option for Marketplace and click on it. Once you do that, you'll be able to explore the Marketplace. Click on the option Create New Listing. Now you'll be able to create the listing. Click on the option Item for Sale. Now you'll have to fill up the details regarding the items over here. You can add the photos. Click on the field of Add Photos. Once you do that, you'll be able to select the photos from your device. Simply click on the photo of your choice. After you do that, what you have to do is scroll down. Click on the field of title. Now enter the title over here. Click on the field of price. Enter the price. Now click on the field of category. Select the category that fits the best. Select the category that fits the best. Once you do that, click on the field of condition. Now click on the condition of your choice. Scroll down. Now you'll have to provide more details. Click on the field of description. Now enter the description over here. Once you do that, scroll down again. You can enter the product tags if you want. Simply scroll down. You'll be able to find the section for meetup preferences. You can adjust it according to your choice. You can also boost it. You can also hide it from the friends. Once you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. You can see the preview over here. Click on the option Publish. Facebook Marketplace will look into your listing. It will have to be approved. After it is approved, your item will be listed for the sale. Like this, you can list items for sale on Facebook Marketplace. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.